morning everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON.
Today I want to make crispy and chewy mochi potato fries.
My daughter will help me. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Peel the potatoes. Slice the potatoes into half rounds. Microwave at 600 watts for 7 minutes until soft. Mash with fork. Add milk. Add starch. Add salt. Mix well until smooth. Flatten out the dough in the plastic wrap. Place it in the freezer to set. Cut into thin slices. Deep fry in oil until golden brown and crispy. Drain well through with ketchup. And now it's done! The ingredient なんでかんでる Here are the ingredients. 指差しポン。いいんじゃない？
もっちりしてて美味しい。
いや、二度漬けじゃない。後ろから。
これはもちもちしてる。だから美味しい。
美味しいって。やった
せーの、チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。
ハモってる。